Archive Review, OA-01-R. This is the fourth released record. The source under review is Tape 1. Tape 1 predates Case 054. It was reopened after the Tape 3 review established that some recorded structures may be produced during playback rather than captured by the original camera. The purpose of this review is to determine whether Tape 1 contains the same behavior in an earlier form. The source was reviewed once before. The original conclusion was transfer damage. Case 054 requires that conclusion to be tested again. Playing Tape 1 from the vault approach. The original audio is intact. Server eye. Watch the rack line as the camera moves. Mark. The camera passes through the rack. The geometry does not stop it. Deeper in. The lights change. Mark. The operator was at the far end. Now he is here. Nothing crossed the aisle. The green cells. Mark. The operator is walking. The floor is not moving. He walks in place. Toward the chamber. Mark. The wall. The camera goes through it. 4 marks. Now the breakdown, one at a time. The rack is solid in every adjacent frame. The camera enters it. The image goes black because the lens is inside the object. A wall does not admit a camera. This one did. The operator is at the far end of the aisle. 1 frame later, he is here. The clock did not skip. The distance between the 2 positions was never crossed. The stride is real. The legs cycle. The weight shifts. The floor does not move. The background does not move. He is walking, and he is arriving nowhere. The wall is solid on both sides of this moment. The camera passes through it into the chamber. The architecture did not stop the recording. Room tone does not break across the wall event. There is no edit, no splice, no transfer seam. During the displacement, the footsteps are absent. The breathing is not. The machine responds before the camera confirms it. The intervals are not identical. The order is. Most feeds can be placed. One cannot. There is no mount for this viewpoint. The recording does not preserve movement uniformly. It preserves arrival. Intermediate travel is unstable. Required position is preserved. Tape 1 may not contain a message in the ordinary sense. The root is the message. The positions are the syntax. The recording is the carrier. These tools were developed during the Tape 3 review. They were not available during the first Tape 1 classification. The structure is not captured by one source. It appears when the sources are made to agree. This is consistent with case 054 earlier. I did not enable the hold. No input. Logging that. carry. Tape 1 describes the operator's procedure. It also describes hours. Entry became ingest. Observation became review. Alignment became source synchronization. Waiting became frame hold. Carriage became reconstruction. Cancel export. Playback is stopped. The frame is still changing. This frame is not present in tape 1. Retrospective review complete. No. The review is complete. The case is not.